There's Brer Fox, Brer Bear.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, huh?
Hey there, social media lights. Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. Today we are at the Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World for a cast member preview of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. So why don't you grab some hot sauce and head right this way.
Oh, this one's exclusive. Hot. This one's real hot.
Alright, so quick story time about my connection not only to what used to be Splash Mountain, but The Princess and the Frog. Princess and the Frog was the very first Disney movie that me and my kids sort of saw together when everyone realized what was going on. We got excited about it beforehand, had the soundtrack before the movie came out, and we're annual pass holders here, so the kids hung out with Tiana and Princess Naveen months before they ever saw the movie. For Christmas that year, it was a Princess Tiana, Princess and the Frog Christmas. I ran all around Central Florida trying to find all the exclusive plush items that they had for the film. All right, there's your Easter egg. There's Brer Rabbit in the center. Brer Frog to the right. Brer Bear on the left. Maybe a small fox. It's hard to tell. Anyway.
Once again, here's Devin from the Hot Sauce 7 performing.
And my man will live on. And tear down your wall through the night. What? There's Tiana.
Hey, there y'all are. Lewis is up ahead. Let's join him and find a band for our celebration. To the final.
There's Lewis.
Hello? Any musicians down here who want to jam? The party's about to begin.
Ooh, he a pirate. Remember, y'all, never ever lose sight of what's really important.
All musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the people that I told you so.
Tiana was cute, y'all. This Donico man, she found can play. Hallelujah.
No doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
These cats are burning.
I hope they all come to the party to play, but let's explore a bit more.
What's this?
Y'all ready to get down to business?
No, we don't care.
Get you big again. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make it hard. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
That side's worse than.
Yeah, I didn't really.
Well, I was in the front on the first one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I got soaked.
Yeah, I got him.
Tiana sure knows how to make a party special. It's fill it up with special people like you.
There's Brer Fox, Brer Bear. And then this is in the exact same font that they had. Everything is satisfaction. So there's your Splash Mountain nod right there. All right, so there's the remnants of the laughing place. Me and the kids spent many an hour in here. I hope maybe they'll put something similar in there for the younger ones that aren't quite tall enough for Tiana's adventure. All right, this will be the exterior gift shop for Tiana's Bayou Adventure Critter Co-op, featuring some of the band members Lewis has put together for today's Dixieland Jazz Jam. All right, so we had a good run through. Everything was operating as it should. There's no wait in line, and all of the animatronics were working fantastic. Now, of course, when you're going through there, you have memories of Splash Mountain, but most people will be riding this for the first time, and this will be their Splash Mountain. So, good times here at Tiana's Bayou Adventure for years to come. All right, another little bit of trivia for you, since we're on the graveyard here that has Mr. Toad. The last time the Song of the South was released in theaters was 1986, and my mom took me to see it in Dover, Delaware. So I did get to see Song of the South in the theaters. And when I was 7 years old, believe it or not.
the glitter and gold as I walk by. Is it a daydream? Let you see neath my curtain, bejeweled here, only in your dream.
That's going to do it for today's adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying, blue skies and sunshine, guaranteed.